Welcome back to Benny's Custom Works, proudly supported by Sparesbox and Valvoline. Today we're continuing with our IS200 6 litre build. I'm going to be tackling the extractors, well starting on the extractors today, and good old Dave from Haltech's going to be down to help us at some point with some wiring. So I'm going to dive right into this, and as soon as Dave gets here, he's going to be repairing all the things that I've stuffed up. Dave's here. These headers are becoming quite the mammoth task, so it's like 6 o'clock at night, we're going home. Dave's been chipping away at the wiring all day. He's made a massive amount of progress on top of what I'd already done. Luckily, what I had done was actually pretty well correct, so Dave's actually just pulled even more stuff out of it. But these headers are just killing me, so tomorrow I'm going to finish off the driver's side and hopefully make a good start on the passenger side. See you then. Day 2 back on the IS200 again of this episode anyway. I decided it would be a great idea to come back last night and continue on the headers. So I basically got the driver's side made. I finished these at 1 AM. So while you guys were sleeping, I was busting out the hot glue gun. I'm fairly happy with them. They're not amazing. I'm not going to show you any close-ups of the welds because I'm a mechanic, not a welder. So it is what it is. I'm a gun on the grinder though, so that's all that matters. So I'm probably going to chuck these in for one more fit and more or less leave them in there until I've got this side done. Then I can actually start to map out where we're going to run our full exhaust system. So we're going to go off the back of these collectors, we're going to go twin 3-inch and we're going to merge that into 3.5. That just reminds me I haven't ordered a muffler yet. I need to do that today also. So I'm going to be running around like a crazy person, but it'll mean we can continue building our car and making you guys videos. So let's keep going. Also, Dave's coming. Dave's here.
So we'll just do a really quick test fit of the LS Loom. Made some sort of grommet allocations for it in the engine bay. So we'll do a really quick test fit just to see how it's all going to work and see if it's all going to fit pretty nicely and just work out the best routing so that I can then look at the factory loom and then see how they're going to integrate in the best spot somehow. There, let's call that installed.
We've had a massive 2 days on the car. We've got a lot of the exhaust stuff done. Dave's been smashing the wiring. A lot of this stuff doesn't look like it's going anywhere at the moment, but we both know where it's going, so we'll be sweet. Massive thank you to Dave for his help, and thank you to Haltech for allowing Dave to actually come and help us on the car. Without those guys, we literally wouldn't be able to do this, so I don't have a clue on a lot of the wiring yet. I'm slowly trying to learn stuff every time Dave turns up, so hopefully after 500 times of Dave being here, I'll be able to twitch some wires together and an engine will run, but we'll smash it out. So hopefully next episode we'll be moving on to fabricating more of the exhaust, getting the cooling system sorted, and a few other things. I'm revising the engine oil cooler setup because I wasn't happy with it, but we'll hopefully cover that next episode as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.